I like to think of undergraduate research and creative scholarship as the university's best self. It's where we are both expanding the horizons of knowledge, doing that important work that transforms our community and the world, but where we're also bringing the next generation of students into that work and allowing them to have opportunities to shape the world that they'll be living in.
The undergraduate research program was one of the special projects that came out of a number of brainstorming sessions back in 2000.
They put their heads together and tried to think about how to bring that research mission together with the teaching mission.
When we started, we wanted something that would be applicable across the board in all fields. And so we had questions like, well, if we've got someone in music that's majoring in drums, what constitutes undergraduate research in drums? And getting into things like music therapy or modern dance. It wasn't just in the sciences. And so the efforts we made to talk to people in music and the humanities and things like that, that was unusual.
Not very many programs can say that their undergraduate students are being treated with the same level of seriousness as graduate students and beyond.
That's always exciting to get to work with somebody who is just starting to do research for the first time and is really passionate about it and interested in it. To sort of help them to figure out how to answer the questions that motivate that research, that sort of puzzle that they've found, how to find an answer to it.
I believe that one of the biggest things I gained was in a perspective on how research can be done not only as a career, but can also be pursued based on your interests.
I was doing the medieval and early modern studies minor. So I was just in dialogue with Dr. Blanton quite a bit, and I believe she approached me and presented the Royer Didier as a subject of research. Before this article was produced, I don't believe there was a real strong English language article that discussed the life of Didier at all.
It is going to add to the general knowledge we have. You are contributing, you are adding to our society, to knowledge, and to making our world a better place.
We work really hard to help students understand that research is so exciting and so dynamic, and it sets your mind on fire. Because students through undergraduate research are developing a wider array of skills, they can carry them into any path, any profession that they want to pursue. And I think that's really one of the big selling points for undergraduate research is the skills that students build are so transferable and so useful to them.
Getting involved in undergraduate research at UMKC did allow me to develop a research practice, and I still find that incredibly useful in my career today.
My experience as an undergraduate researcher is going to help me build the career I've always wanted, which is to do research for a living.